In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create a tailored resume and cover letter. If you're applying for a job and want your application materials to match the role more closely, this is a simple and efficient way to do it. The goal here is not to let AI invent your background, but to help you organize your real experience into a stronger, more targeted presentation. Start by opening ChatGPT and pasting in the full job description for the role you want to apply for. Make sure you include the important details such as the responsibilities, required skills, qualifications, and any keywords that stand out. This gives ChatGPT the context it needs to understand what the employer is looking for. Next, add your own information. Share your work experience, relevant skills, education, and key achievements. The more accurate and complete you are here, the better the result will be. Try to include measurable accomplishments when possible, such as improving a process, increasing sales, managing projects, or supporting a team. This helps create a resume that feels specific and credible. Once ChatGPT has both the job description and your background, ask it to create a tailored resume for that position. This means it should emphasize the parts of your experience that best match the job. After that, ask it to write a matching cover letter based on the same information. A strong cover letter should reflect the role, connect your experience to the company's needs, and sound professional without being overly generic. When you receive the drafts, take time to review them carefully. This step is very important. Check for any inaccurate details, exaggerated claims, or wording that doesn't reflect your actual experience. AI can help with structure and phrasing, but you should always make sure the final content is truthful and aligned with your real background. After that, adjust the wording so it sounds like you. If something feels too formal, too robotic, or unlike the way you normally communicate, rewrite it. Your application should sound polished, but still authentic. This is especially important in the cover letter, where your voice should come through more clearly. Finally, format your resume in Word, Google Docs, or Canva, depending on the style you want and the tools you prefer. Keep the layout clean and easy to read, then save both your final resume and cover letter as PDF files so the formatting stays consistent when you send them to employers. That's it. If you follow this process carefully, you can create application documents that are targeted, professional, and true to your experience.